In this video, I'll guide you through how to authorize draw.io in Google Drive so you can easily create and open diagrams right from your drive. We'll go through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to use draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, just like any other app connected to your Google account. First, go ahead and open Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to use draw.io. It's a good idea to use a desktop browser for this setup because the options we need are much easier to find and use on a larger screen. Once you're in Google Drive, look toward the top left corner and click on the button labeled New. This is the same button you'd normally use to create a new document, spreadsheet, or folder. When you click it, a menu will drop down with several options. In that menu, hover your mouse over the option called More. Don't click More right away, just move your cursor over it and a side menu will slide open. At the bottom of that side menu, you'll see an option that says Connect More Apps. Go ahead and click that. This opens a window that lets you browse and connect third-party apps to your Google Drive. You should now see the Google Workspace Marketplace or a similar app listing. At the top of this window, there will be a search bar. Click in the search bar and type draw.io or diagrams.net. Those are two names for the same tool, so if you see diagrams.net with the draw.io logo, you're in the right place. From the search results, click on the draw.io or diagrams.net app. This will open a detailed page that explains what the app does and how it works with Google Drive. Take a moment to confirm that it's the official diagrams.net or draw.io app so you know you're installing the correct one. On this page, you'll see an install button. Click install to start connecting it to your Google account. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to install the app. Click continue to move on. Next, Google will show you a list of permissions that draw.io needs in order to work with your Drive files. This usually includes access to view and manage files that you open with the app. Read through these permissions so you understand what you're allowing. If you're comfortable with them, click Allow to grant access. This is what officially authorizes Draw.io to work with your Google Drive. Once installation is complete, the app is now connected, but let's quickly see how to actually use it. In Google Drive, locate a diagram file you want to open or upload one if you already have a diagram saved on your computer. You can also start from a blank file later, but for now we'll focus on opening an existing one. Right-click on the diagram file in your Drive. In the menu that appears, hover over Open With. You should now see draw.io or diagrams.net listed as an option. Click on it, and the file will open in the draw.io interface, directly connected to your Google Drive. From here on, anytime you want to work with diagrams, you can right-click a compatible file and choose Open with draw.io or create new diagrams through the new menu using the connected app. That's all you need to authorize draw.io in Google Drive and start using it smoothly within your existing workflow.